Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the Syncwire iPhone 13 Pro case. Again, the company is Syncwire. And as with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. Not sure if you're going to be able to see all of the writing on the back of the box. Let's go ahead and get it open and take a look at it. Now, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you me putting it on my phone because I use my phone as my camera. User guide. It should be a pretty easy install, so it's a hard case, but it's got some flexibility to allow you just to stick your phone in it. It is precision laser cut, so that any of your port openings should match up exactly with your phone. It's hard, but again, it's got some flexibility to it. HD polycarbonate is the material. Opening for your camera lenses. Nice and clear. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.